Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Previously, we were watching that XLM broke down very significant support of a rising wedge pattern on the long-term weekly time frame. And right now, it is still struggling to re-enter the wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze whether this move will be continued to the upside and the price line will break out this resistance, or it will move more down from here. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to the chart, and this is the weekly time frame, and we have already seen that the price line formed this rising wedge pattern, and this was a very long-term support, by the way, that was not broken down since December 2020. That was more than a year the price line was moving above this support, and in the current month we have a move below this support, and we also had an additional support of the 100 weekly simple moving average, and the price line tested this support of the 100 simple moving average, and now it is moving up, and it is possible that it is retesting the previous support as a resistance, and it will be rejected and not able to re-enter in this wedge. Then we can expect a further move to the downside. But if it will be re-entered in this wedge, then we can expect a move, and that move can be imminent up to this resistance of the wedge that will be approximately at 44 cents. Now we can also watch on the daily time frame that here the price line has also formed a double bottom at the support of 25.5 cents, and you can see the price line broke this level out here, moved down, and first bounce from here on 29th of September, and then moved up, and now it is having another bounce. And it is possible that it is forming a double bottom, and at the same time the price line after this bounce has again broken out the EMA 21 on the daily time frame. That is also very good support for the price line, but right now we are again moving below EMA 21. So far the candlestick is not closed below EMA 21. It is possible that it will be reversed back and we will have a closing on the daily time frame above this exponential moving average. But if we take a look at the RSI, then here we have a bullish divergence flashed on this daily time frame. We can see that the price line formed this high, and after this high, this is the next higher lower high than previous high. But if we take a look at the RSI, it formed this high, and the next high that the RSI is forming recently is higher than previous high. So there is a hidden bullish, there is a bullish divergence appeared on this chart. Therefore, it is possible that we are having a double bottom formation, and this move will be continued to the upside, and soon the price line will be re-entered in this wedge. And for example, if we will have a breakout from this wedge, then our next target can be approximately 66 cents if we will have a breakout from here. So the next few hours are really very important, because the price line is trying to break it out, the previous support as a resistance of this big wedge on the weekly time frame, and at the same time on the daily time frame we are having the formation of a double bottom, and there is also a bullish divergence appeared on the daily time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.